Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. So let's get to the technology assignments. Before you start any technology assignments, I really need you to do your ALEKS work for the week. Okay? So only come to the technology assignments when you are finished with your work for the week. Now, some of the dates may be different. I have several classes, so don't let that stress you out. You will not see the technology assignments unless you have clicked on the ALEKS topic, the syllabus quiz topic, and the begin here video. I have videos that go along with all of the technology assignments. So whether it's my own personal video for assignment number 1, or it is the help video. So there's some help videos like this one, and then you have the Excel spreadsheet. Okay. So all you do, I'm going to click on the tech assignments. Actually, I'm going to close it and then scroll down to where you see technology assignments. Click on it. And for the first, now this is due before your first exam. So the dates may look different, but here's my video. Click on that. Then there's the help video, which is similar. Now, this video may look a little different. The D2L might look different, but it is the same process. And then use the Excel spreadsheet, which opens up, but you need to download it. Okay, so you can make it really big if you need to. And all hack students have access to Microsoft software. You can also download this and open it up in Google Sheets. If you have a MacBook, you can export this to an Excel spreadsheet and you can just save it however, and then export it, replace it. And then if you go to your Google Drive, and everybody has a Google account and Google Apps. So your Google Drive would be in your Google Apps over here on the side. There it is right there. And then you just click on New File Upload. And just downloaded this. Is this Excel? No, that's the number spreadsheet. There it is right there. And then I open it and then give it a second to load. You'll get a check mark over here. And you can open it up in Google Sheets. You see it says opening the file in Google Sheets. And then you can just do what you need to do using Google Sheets. I would definitely change the title here. You can change it to Tech Assignment 1 or something. And then to share it with me, you just click share. And then click anyone with the link. Copy the link and then paste it into the Dropbox window where you can put text. You don't have to do it this way. You can just upload the Excel after you complete all of the steps here. Just follow the video. Okay, so as always, thank you for watching. See you next time.